Hello everyone. On today's video I'm gonna show you how I decorated this living room, family room, and dining room. So this is how the living room, dining room used to look like. They were using this emerald green color as an accent color, and this is how they had their dining room table set up. This is the console table. It's right next to the living room. Here you can see pretty much the layout of the common area. So the first thing we did is we changed the curtains. We got the curtains at Amazon, and this is gonna be the inspiration to decor the whole living room, dining room, and then after you're gonna see we also did the family room. So now I changed the furniture. Here you can see now I have the sofa right in front of the windows. And since I moved the sofa, now I can put the dining room table in this direction, and the common area, it has more open space. So now we lay down this rug. This rug is the ones that they sell as washables. And then we have this coffee table. The coffee table is from Marshall's. And then we started out with the cushions. The blue cushions, I think they're from Amazon, and the brick and pattern one, they're from Marshall's. And here is the dining table. We put down some placemats and some gold plastic platters, I think they're called. And this is how everything is looking at the moment. Now I put this vase on the dining room table. I'm not sure that I like it that much, so maybe not. You're gonna see that I change it later on. So now we have this round wall decor. It goes perfectly with the curtains. And now all I did is I started to decorate and put all the accents like the lamps and some plants. For sure, you're gonna see later on that everything is gonna be switched because I'm trying to find the right spot to put every accent. Here you can see I changed the vase on the dining room table, and I also added some white napkins with gold napkin rings. Here you see I have this round macrame. I have a video tutorial on how I made this. I will link on the description box below. Later on you're gonna see that I changed it because I think there's too many circles on that area. See the side tables, I switched them, and also I did remove the round macrame, and I added this plant in the corner. For the console table, I used this vase. It was silver, so all I did is I took some spray paint and I spray painted it in a terracotta color. Now this is the family room. This is how it was laid out before. So now we started once again with the curtains. We're gonna use the same curtains that we have in the living room and the dining room. So now it's time to accessorize. Here I have some blue pillows, and now here I changed the wall hanging, and I moved some furniture around. Here you can see that little ladder. It was in the opposite corner, so I moved it to the other side right next to the window, and I kept adding cushions and flowers. Here you can see the chair at your left, and pretty much this is how it's gonna look. So now I'm just gonna keep accessorizing. So now here's the video so you can have a full vision on how everything looks like. We have here the console area. Now we're gonna walk right into the family room. As you can see, I have live plants everywhere. I think life gives like I don't know, a different feeling when you decorate an area and you add some live plants. So here's the living room that you just saw. This is the front entrance, and here you can see the living room and oh hi everyone, and the dining room. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe everyone.